Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you this really cool travel tripod that was sent out to me by Fotopro to take a look at. Now, I have a ton of tripods, guys. I've been in the photography business for over 30 plus years. I have big tripods, cinema tripods, every type of tripod you can think of, desktop tripods, but one that seems to always be in high demand, especially with my everyday workflow now, is something that is lightweight, that I can travel with easily. I can attach it to one of my backpacks with no problem. I have this drone backpack that I carry with me all the time, and I'm looking for something that I can just strap right onto the side of this backpack. And when I'm out doing drone videography or photography or something like that, yeah, it's nice. It does come with a nice bag, but I probably won't use the bag. I'm going to be honest with you guys. But for a lot of you, this bag is really nice because it's basically like a little backpack. You have this little pull string mechanism here as well, which is super cool. The rope on here is nice and strong, guys. All right, so in the bag, you're going to get the tripod, which we will come right back to because I'm going to take this to our back desk and I'm going to show it to you guys much closer up. You also get some other accessories in here as well. Let me dig these out for you guys. So you get some tools if you have to adjust any of the components. They do provide you with a little wrench and some Allen keys. You also receive replacement foot pads. Man, you have no idea how nice a thing this is that you get some replacement foot pads. I lose foot pads all the time. I'm, just getting up and going and pop up the tripod, throw it in the truck and down the road, get home, set it up and go, hey, where's my pad? And when it comes to trying to find a replacement, it's almost impossible. It's almost no one sells the pads by themselves. So with all that said, I'm just saying having spare pads, guys, trust me, that's a win. All right, so we're gonna go back here to the desk. I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful tripod. Let me give you a little preview of it. So this is the tripod, carbon fiber, very lightweight, but it's 73 inches full extended, okay? It has the built-in ball head on here as well. You can get super, super low. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you can get this guy all the way down, I would say close to 90 degrees, maybe somewhere around 85 degrees. It has these little locking pins here that you guys should be able to see. And that's how you're gonna adjust this. So I can adjust this down and rotating that pretty much back in place like you guys see. So if you did want to get really close to the ground or you were recording something, this is gonna be handy. Now this has a ton, I mean a ton of knobs and dials and things on here for your ball head mount, for extending this. So if you want to raise this up, you just undo this right here. That's going to give you some extra height. But like I said, we're going to take this to the back desk. I'm going to show you guys this guy much closer up and see what you think about it. I think this is going to be a tripod I'm going to be actually using today on a photo shoot. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're over at the desk. Now, what I try to do in my videos, guys, is do the type of videos I wish somebody was doing when I'm looking for information on a product, and that's showing me all of the details. So getting close up on this tripod, I want you guys to see how these little mechanisms work. These basically just rotate, and this is how you're gonna free up the different sections. They tighten down really nicely. There's also a monopod component to this, which we'll talk about here in a little bit, but you can detach this specific section right here and use it as a monopod. Again, here's those little rubber feet that we were talking about, and these do pop off like that. And now you have this little spike. So if you're in some heavy terrain and you need to be able to really lock down your tripod, it's really nice that it has that built in as well. And then again, simple, pop those guys back on, completely adjustable. Remember to tighten everything down. Let's take a look at the ball head. So as you guys can see here, the ball head on this unit is also very nice. You have a number of different controls here. Now this is an Arca Swiss style. It has a built-in level. Let's go ahead and pop this off real quick so I can show you guys. We can take out the plate. And you guys see you can adjust that or tighten that too. There are 3 different ways. Technically, you could use an Allen key, you could use a coin, or it has this little handle here that you use for tightening it down. Nice rubber pads on here. All right, so we do have a bubble level right here at the top. This is for tightening this. On the opposite side, this one that you guys see here is for rotating this. So if you undo this one, now you can rotate this head around. So if you're doing something like 360, you'll be able to do that. And then of course you can just lock it back in place. You have your standard rotation controls here. Let's lock this guy down first. All right, so you have measured controls along here, as you guys can see. So you can set distance. You have your tilt lock, and that's going to be for this, so that you can lock this in place, especially if you're doing like some portrait style shooting. That's really going to come in handy. The knobs feel really, really robust and nice on here. I am very impressed with that, guys. So I mentioned that you can turn this into a monopod. And the way you turn this into a monopod is really ingenious. You can also invert this section and actually put it back through here. And you could actually use this with your camera upside down, almost like this type of orientation. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I have this backwards, but you can do basically the same thing. Let's loosen that up. So we could raise this up and we could actually mount a camera facing downward. So if you're doing like a top-down view, or maybe you're doing some type of macro photography, you'll be able to just, adjust this and have your camera directly above whatever it is that you're trying to record. Now, again, like I said, you can also turn this into a monopod. So let me show you guys what that looks like. You're going to take this little section off right here. This just unscrews. Don't lose it. That comes out. And now you have this section separate. And at that point, you can take this column off by just unscrewing it, like so. You guys can see what the threads look like there. And then now you can attach these two like that. Tighten it up. And now you have a really long monopod that you can use, especially when you need to extend things over things, through things, around things. So if I was recording something and I wanted to go through this section here, I could just push a camera straight through like so. Or if I was trying to, put a camera above something that a traditional tripod wouldn't allow me to do, I could do that as well. I could just adjust the camera and drop it over the ledge of something, and I could record that way as well. So you have a lot of practical applications for this tripod, guys. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging on this. I'm going to show you how to reassemble this as well. You're just going to slide this column back into place like so, and then you're just going to slide this in, and then you're going to take this component right here, you're going to reinstall that. Once that's tightened back down, you're pretty much good to go in your standard tripod configuration. And then you do have this little spring here. You have this little spring mechanism here if you wanted to hang this on something or hang something underneath it to add additional stability. And then that leg that we took off just screws right back in. All right, guys, there you have it. So like I said, in this video, what I wanted to do was show you guys a really close-up look at this tripod. So if you guys are looking for a really nice travel tripod, I think this could be exactly what you're looking for. You have a really nice plate system here, carbon fiber, replaceable foot pads, adjustable angles, everything you would want from a traditional tripod. It is lightweight, but it is very strong. I can tell there's no give in these legs whatsoever. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.